It's cheap. We've got the Blomberg GVN9483E dishwasher, but on intensive 70 degrees. We've got it on intensive 70 degrees today anyway, yeah. Which is a request for Washercrazy to do intensive 70 degrees anyway, yeah. And the Blomberg GVN9483E storming down the dishwasher anyway, yeah. I think the total she uses the very auto power all-in-one tab they should just use anyway, yeah. Shows on the main washer 70 degrees in the web, yeah. Dishwasher's on the main washer 70 degrees in the web, yeah. Okay, the stones need a great hob in the background, anyway, yeah. There it is. Okay, the stone hobbing in the background, anyway, yeah. There's the stone oven, anyway, yeah. Okay, there's on in the background, anyway, yeah. The stone oven's on in the background, anyway, yeah. The hob, anyway, needs great hobbers in the background, anyway, yeah.